Dear students, great day. Let us start our session with a new lesson, Good Citizen. In this lesson, we are going to learn about human, citizen, good values of the citizen. Who is a human? Man is a social animal. Man is a social animal. Human beings think and act using their senses. There were five sense organs in our body. There are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Humans are born free but bound in the social web. They can't live alone. They need social and emotional support. To live in the society, they need to develop some good values. Citizen. A citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country and enjoys various rights and executes its duties. What is good citizen? A good human being is always a good citizen. Is good citizens are people that believe in practice justice, truth, equality, and responsibility for the common goal. How to be a good citizen? Being a good citizen, we should follow certain things. That is, be kind and helpful, follow the rules, be respectful to others, be honest, take care of the earth, be responsible, share and cooperate. These are all qualities which help us to be a good citizen. Good values. Good values are the qualities of a person that keep society running. These qualities can be developed by all. Good values are categorized into five types, that is, personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. Personal values. Personal values are the basic value for every individual or every person. Personal value bring out hidden values of a person that they acquire from their experience. This lead to their overall development. Example for the personal values are honesty, generosity, friendship, mercy, love, and hospitality. Cultural value. Culture is a product of a human experience to become well mannered. It is an essence of society. This helps to maintain cultural values. It is very difficult to change because it was followed by many years. That is why it is called as traditional values. Social values. Social values forms an important part of the culture of the society. How should we behave in public places. First thing, good relation with people. Point 2, respect elders. Point 3, respect nature. Point 4, maintain friendship. These are all about social values. Disciplinary values. The disciplinary values are punctuality, that is on time, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding your morals, doing duties without fail, etc. are the disciplinary values. Constitutional values. Every person or individuals want to follow our government's rules and laws. This is called constitutional values. Example for the constitutional values are: we must take care of all public properties, maintain unity. We have to protect natural resources. We have to take care of environment. We have to respect our national symbols. These are all about examples for constitutional values. Citizenship. Citizenship is the right to live in the best way as a civilian. This includes a person's participation in government activities too. If a person have a citizenship, they can participate in any activities that is conducted by the government. In this session, we learned about human, citizen, good values of the citizen. Remaining all to be continued in next session. Activity. Fill the blanks with the help of these values. Circle the good values given below in the table. This is the worksheet for you. Learn it and write as a home test. Thank you.